straight. This is where the Coca-Cola factory used to be at.
No, that's more to the right of us.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know where the hell we're at.
We're in the center. We're still in the center. The Coca-Cola is definitely way more to the right. Yeah. That I know.
What is like water fountains, huh?
Yep. This was a huge water fountain.
Yeah, to me, the finance department was like, hey, we don't have the money to fund whatever what it is we want to do. Figure something else out. And then like 3 years in, they're like, hey, we don't know what we want to build yet. We can't afford it. Hey, let's do this instead. There's no way. 4 years for that. 5 years for that. That's crazy. Like the concept before that they had was better than that. Because it was like an outlay with like actual where you can actually sell products. That's just a garden. Now that's the direction I wanted to go. I mean, but I seriously doubt it. I remember them having like, it was like they had like all this.
I felt like Guardians.
That is really nice though. Is that real? That's crazy. That's nuts. That's pretty incredible actually. Food up a bite. That's totally me as a dad. I'll definitely have one next week. That's totally me as a dad. Man, so we can watch other bands and performers. Still get the one time. We have a full course meal. Seriously, man.
I hate you guys.
You know what time it is, Anson?
I hate you guys.
6 o'clock, bro.
I know, I was looking at the time the whole entire time.
6:30.
Especially now that summer's hitting. This is the snack. This is the red snack, right? What, French snack? Morocco's next door. I think they're slow. I can't eat. That's why I ordered these because I can't drink them fast. Because
That's why when
I get acid reflux real bad.
Like over it's good, I had to get that roots. Yeah, club soda on the side because too much sweet.
No, this is the lime. It's in food. You can have some there.
Right on
Oh, sorry.
One another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. When we are born, we come into this world a raw noise. Cradled.
From all of us here at Epcot, we wish you a wonderful evening and a safe journey home. Thank you and good night.
Present those projections. They don't talk about. No, man. We invest, right? So it's like, and like as analysts, we talk to the. Fucking shared the company and this. No, but you gotta remember, Mike, they closed this area out for 5 years.
I know. Yeah. I'd imagine it ultimately they just have to go the route of investing in restaurants.
I don't know.
I
don't know.
Honestly, I applied for a job at Space 240 over here.
The new restaurant?
Well, it's not the one. But I applied for this job in 2019. I didn't hear back until 2021 about an interview. Famous last word. That makes sense. That's good.
They never had these lights on this globe. I remember that for sure. They never.
They were a different color.